In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture a problem you're experiencing in SOLIDWORKS using the SOLIDWORKS Rx tool. You will find this program in your Windows applications in the SOLIDWORKS Tools folder. Once you have opened the tool, go to the Problem Capture tab where the tools you need are situated. SOLIDWORKS automatically gathers some system information. Select Start Capture so that the Rx tool can record your screen and create a video. I already have SOLIDWORKS open, so I will select Use Current Session. Once you start recording, you must follow the exact workflow which triggers the technical issue you are experiencing. This will allow your VAR and SOLIDWORKS TSE to analyze and pinpoint the root cause of the issue. Once you have completed the workflow, SOLIDWORKS must shut down to complete the recording process. Once SOLIDWORKS is closed, you must add the SOLIDWORKS files you used in your workflow. Next, some extra information must be added before we can complete the Rx problem capture. I'm going to input the following information: my full name, my contact details. Then the Rx tool automatically recognizes your SOLIDWORKS version and your serial number. You must then select the area and sub-area which is related to the issue you are experiencing. Next, enter a brief summary of the problem. Keep this short and to the point. After this, you must add a more detailed description of the problem. Select the level of impact that this issue has on your business productivity and add an appropriate reason to substantiate this level of impact. The problem capture is now complete. You can then send the zip file through to your VAR for troubleshooting so that the issue at hand can be resolved in a professional and efficient manner.